Good morning, students. Today we will read lesson 2, Plants Around Us. Before starting this chapter, I want to tell you the main important parts of a plant. We know that plants have different parts. As you see in the picture, plants have different parts like root, stem, branches, leaf, flower, and fruit. Now these parts of plant perform different function for the plant. For example, root, it fixes the plant in the soil, means root is the base which provides support to the plant. And second part is stem, it carries all the other parts of the shoot, means stem carry, root is found under the ground but stem is found above the ground and it carry other parts of the shoot. Third part is leaf, it makes food for the plant, means leaf is the food factory for the plant and it prepare or it makes food for the plant. Next, flower, it grows into a fruit. We eat different kind of fruits and this fruit is obtained from the flower. Last part is fruit, it store the seeds. Now, classification of plants. Plants have been classified into different categories. We talk about these different categories in some detail. First, we will talk about the tree. We all see different kinds of trees around us. Big plants are called trees. Their stem is woody and strong. As you see in the picture, it is called the trunk. We see many branches of a tree coming out from the trunk. We see different branches which is coming out from the main part of the plant and it is called out the trunk. There are leaves, flowers and fruits on the branches. Trees give shade to human and animals. The roots of a tree are very deep. They can therefore absorb water from the deeper part of the soil. Now, example of the tree is banyan tree, peepal tree, neem, mango, coconut are some of the tree we see around us. Second category is shrubs. We often see many plants that have a woody stem but are not as strong and as big as a tree. Means shrubs have woody stem but these are not so much strong as compared to the tree. These plants look like bushes with many branches. Means shrubs has medium sized plants which have so many branches. Such plants are called shrubs. Shrubs have smaller stems branching off near the ground. For example, rose, bougainvillea, cotton, China rose, mehdi are some of the shrubs we see around us. Now we will talk about the herbs. Many plants have thin stems which are green in color and not woody. Such plants are called herbs. Means herbs are those plants which are not very tall, which are not very strong and they have green color stem and these plants are called herbs. Herbs are generally small in size. They are grown in a particular season. They live only for 1 or 2 seasons and produce their flowers, fruits and seeds in this time only. After 1 or 2 seasons, they die. For example, tomato, mint, ladyfinger. Mint and ladyfinger, tomato we can see all the year, but mint and ladyfinger especially grow in the summer season. Wheat, rice, sunflower, tomato and mint and ladyfinger are some of the herbs that we see around us. Now, next category is climbers. Some plants have very weak and thin stem. They cannot grow straight on their own. They need support to climb up. Such plants are called climbers. Means climbers are those plants which are very thin, which are very weak. They need support to stand up. For example, pea plant, money plant. Last category is creepers. Some plants creep on the ground and spread their branches on the ground itself. They also have thin and weak stem are called creepers. For example, pumpkin, strawberry and grass.